This one-owner MKX is a 10. Customers change, customer wants and needs change, and fashion changes. So the products offered need to change. Lincoln answers the call with the company's first crossover, the MKX R08. MKX provides plenty of stylish and luxurious appointed interior space in a moderately sized exterior package. From the piping on the luxurious leather seats, to the wood grain interior, to the MP3/Bluetooth connection, this MKX will live up to all your wants and needs. One trip around the block of this well-equipped AWD drive MKX will show it to be a fine contemporary luxury vehicle. Its upscale design and specification are enhanced by interior quiet and a smooth but controlled ride. It drives and feels like a car, not a truck, and the powertrain meets all demands placed upon it. Interior space is not going to be a problem, and its relatively small footprint means that parking will not be either. Looks are important, especially in the luxury segments, and this MKX is definitely a looker. This beautiful MKX is proof positive that Lincoln has firmly established itself in the luxury crossover market. The best used cars are at Crest Cadillac. Contact Adam Pienkowski, the Internet Sales Manager, for more details, to set an appointment, a test drive, or trade-in appraisal at adam@crestcadillac.com or at 866-712-4804, extension 367. We carry all makes and models. Thanks for choosing Crest Cadillac about our award-winning vehicles and service. Sunroof, navigation, non-smoking, one-owner vehicles are what we specialize in. Not all vehicles are equipped with these, but most are.